You explained your database schema to the AI. 4 times. You explained it so well. And then, 20 messages later, it wrote a query against a table that does not exist, and has never existed. It didn't ignore you. It forgot you. Last time we explained the loop that runs your AI tools. Today we explain the lesson that loop keeps forgetting what you told it, the context window. First, kill the word memory. The model does not have memory. It does not remember your last message. Every single turn, it rereads the entire conversation from scratch, like it just woke up from a coma. So what is it? The context window is everything the model can look at in one glance, one fixed size frame. If something isn't inside that frame, to the model, it does not exist. Not forgotten, invisible. And everything fights for room in that frame. The system prompt. Your files, the whole chat history, every tool result. Your actual question is in there somewhere, wrestling a 40,000-line log file for a seat. The frame is measured in tokens. A token is a chunk of text, roughly part of a word. The window holds a fixed number of them. 200,000 sounds enormous, right up until you paste your code base into it. So that's the frame. Now let's fill it up and watch the wheels come off. Failure 1. Overflow. When the window is full, the oldest stuff falls off the back to make room. That schema you explained at the start? It quietly slid out the exit while you weren't looking. That's why it forgot. Failure 2. Lost in the middle. Even when it all fits, the model reads the start and the end carefully and treats the middle like the terms and conditions. Your one critical instruction, buried on line 20,000? Skimmed. Failure 3. More is not better. Stuff the window with everything just in case, and you don't get a smarter model, you get a distracted one. The signal drowns in the noise you so helpfully provided. And failure 4 is the one that bills you. Every token in that window gets reprocessed every single turn. A bloated context isn't just dumber, it's the meter running on every message you send. Remember the $900. Okay, that's the damage. Here's how you actually run the window instead of drowning in it. 1. Curate, don't dump. Put in what this task needs, not everything you own. The model can't tell your important file from your random scratch notes. That's your job, and you keep outsourcing it to a thing that can't do it. 2. Compact the history. When the conversation gets long, summarize the old turns down to a few lines. Keep the decisions, drop the transcript. Nobody needs the full play-by-play of how you got here. Don't use the built-in compact feature. It sucks. Build your own. 3. Position the important stuff. The model reads the edges best, so put the one instruction that actually matters at the very top or the very end. Never bury the load-bearing sentence in the soft middle. 4. Start fresh. New task gets a new window. Do not drag a 2-hour debugging spiral into a quick question about button colors. Clear it. A fresh context is the cheapest performance upgrade you will ever get. 5. Fetch. Don't hoard. Instead of cramming all your docs in up front, pull in only the chunk you need when you need it. That's the whole idea behind retrieval. The window stays lean and the model stays awake. Curate, compact, position, clear, fetch. That's the toolkit. Here's the part to actually remember. Here's the mental model. The context window is not memory, it's a desk. And a bigger desk does not make you organized. It just gives you more surface area to lose the one document you needed. The model brings the brain, you bring the focus. It will read whatever you put in front of it, faithfully, including the garbage. So decide what's on the desk, because it won't. It can't. It just woke up from a coma, remember? That's the context window, not memory, a desk you have to keep clean. Manage it, and the model feels like it finally gets you. Don't, and you'll keep explaining your schema to a coma patient. Subscribe. Next time, why the model sounds so confident while being completely, catastrophically wrong.